Chapter 18 Ecosystems
1.
What is an ecosystem? Definition: the structure formed by the interrelationships and interactions between living organisms, biotic, and non-living components, abiotic, in a specific area is called an ecosystem. Key concept: biotic and abiotic factors depend on each other.
2.
Structure of an ecosystem. The components of an ecosystem are broadly classified into two categories. A. Abiotic components, non-living. These are the physical and chemical factors that support life. Physical factors: air, water, vapor, minerals, soil, sunlight, humidity, temperature. Chemical factors: inorganic substances, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, calcium, iron, sodium, potassium. Organic substances, proteins, carbohydrates, fats. B. Biotic components, living. These are classified based on their mode of nutrition.
1.
Producers, autotrophs. Organisms that produce their own food using sunlight, photosynthesis. Example: all green plants, trees, grass, algae.
2.
Consumers, heterotrophs. These depend on other organisms for food. They are divided into levels. Primary consumers, herbivores, eat only plants. Examples: grasshopper, elephant, deer, goat. Secondary consumers, carnivores, eat herbivores. Examples: frog, owl, fox, lizard. Tertiary consumers, apex carnivores eat primary and secondary consumers. They are usually not eaten by others. Examples: lion, tiger, eagle, shark. Omnivores, mixed consumers eat both plants and animals. Examples: humans, bear, crow.
3.
Decomposers, saprotrophs. Organisms that obtain food by breaking down dead bodies of plants and animals. Role: they return nutrients, minerals, back to the soil nature. Examples: bacteria, fungi.
3.
Food chain versus food web. Feature: food chain, food web. Definition: a linear sequence where one organism eats another. A complex network of many interconnected food chains. Direction: straight, single path. Multiple paths interconnected. Example: grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, eagle. A hawk eating a snake, a mouse, and a rabbit simultaneously. Energy flows from producers-consumers. The primary source of energy for all ecosystems is the sun.
4.
Types of ecosystems. A. Natural ecosystems, formed naturally without human interference. land, terrestrial grasslands, forests, tropical, evergreen, deserts, tundra. Aquatic. Freshwater, river, pond, lake. Marine, saltwater ocean, sea, creek. B. Artificial ecosystems, created and maintained by humans. Examples: crop fields, farms, gardens, aquariums, dams, plantations.
5.
Key points for objective questions. Role of microbes. Decomposers are essential because they clean the environment by decomposing dead matter. Biomes. Large ecosystems with similar climate and abiotic factors. Example: tundra biome, rainforest biome. Ecological niche. The functional role an organism plays in an ecosystem. 10% law. Bonus: only about 10% of energy is transferred from one trophic level to the next. Example: from plant to goat. The rest is lost as heat.
6.
Practice questions. Self-check. Question: what is the ultimate source of energy for an ecosystem? A. The sun. Question: fungi and bacteria are classified as A. Decomposers. Question: which type of ecosystem is a paddy field? A. Artificial ecosystem. Question: in the chain grass, deer, tiger, who is the secondary consumer? A. Tiger. For more, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.